we're going to get started in just a moment here. It's going to give a few more seconds to make sure everybody gets on. Great. Well, it is the top of the hour, so I think that's all we're going to get for this session. I want to thank everybody for coming. I'd like to let you know it's going to be about a 20-minute webinar, very short, hopefully very informative, but plenty of, we can answer plenty of questions after the fact. If you don't get all the information you need here, we're going to be available to answer any questions you have after. So go ahead and get started. Before we do, introduce myself. My name is Brian Douglas. I am the CEO of Protect Health in Las Vegas. And what we're going to talk today about is Association Dental. This is a new plan that is available most states. It's available actually in 47 of the 50 states. And if you're here, it's definitely available in your state. So we'd like to talk about it a little bit and give you the opportunity to get appointed if you'd like to. So real quick, get started here with what is Association Dental. In case everybody's not familiar with how association health plans work in general, basically I'll give you an overview of that. Association Dental, like I mentioned, is an association dental plan available nationwide. It's available in 47 states, and it is a fully association dental plan, meaning that you can't get it if you're not buying it through the association. And what the association does is it allows members to purchase dental plans and other things, but in this case dental plans as a group, and benefit from those group rates. This can reduce or eliminate things like waiting periods. It offers complete coverage options like implants, dentures, offers higher commission rates than other dental plans, and has fewer restrictions. It's the same concept as a company buying dental for the employees of their company. In this case, it is a group of individuals in an association, basically, or essentially the company, buying dental coverage for all of the members of the association. It enables all the members to get much better deals than they can get on their own with individual dental. So before we get too far, I just want to point out a few of the benefits to you as the agent or the broker. Obviously, that's why you're here, and you want to know how this is going to benefit you. So first of all, these plans offer some of the highest commissions for any dental or vision plan anywhere. We've looked at most of the dental plans out there, and yes, there are some dental discount plans that offer a little bit higher commissions, but for a real true dental insurance, I don't think it can be matched or beat, and we'll talk about that more in detail. Association dental coverage allows for more services to be covered without a waiting period. That means when you are talking to your clients, you're going to have the opportunity to offer them more with these plans than the others. You can sell the same plans nationwide, 47 states. Minnesota, Maine, and Washington are the only three right now that we can't, and I think those will be coming shortly. And the largest dental network in the country is Carrington, Dentamax, and Dentamax Plus combined. So all three of those networks are one network for this dental plan. Most importantly, as far as the benefit to you, you can sell it as a copay plan just like everything else. If you're selling copay medical plans, you can add dental that has a copay plan. It's a $25 copay, and all they do is pay their copay and their percentage of coinsurance, and they're done. No deductibles, nothing that they have to pay up front for the services. And at some point in the future, if you choose to, you can co-brand Association Dental to make it your own. So, or even for the companies you deal with, if they want to have their own dental plan, Bob's dental plan, whatever, that is an opportunity for you in the future. As far as the benefit to your clients, first of all, it is guaranteed coverage over 18 years of age. I know some other dentals are 19 and others even 21, but anybody 18 or over can buy it on their own. It is a one-year rate guarantee. If rates go down, obviously your clients would benefit from that, but if they go up, they're not going to see a rate increase during each year of coverage. There's no age limits. The price is the same for all ages. So if you have a family of 8 and 4 kids ranging from 2 to 20, it's going to be the same price for each kid and each family member, regardless of age. There's no waiting periods for Type 1 and Type 2 services. And I know everybody says, well, a lot of dental programs I look at don't have that. But the difference here with the Association Dental is what's included in Type 1 and Type 2. Many of the services that under most normal dental plans are in Type 3 that require a 1-year waiting period are actually under Type 1 and Type 2 in this dental plan. So we'll get into that a little bit deeper in just a moment here. There's also no waiting period to use repriced rates on Type 3 services. So even if somebody does have a 1-year wait before the dental covers the 50% of the Type 3, they can use the repricing rate for Type 3 services from day one. And again, we'll get into this a little bit further because a lot of your clients are not going to have any waiting periods on any of the services under this plan if they qualify. So we'll talk about that a little bit more in a second. All waiting periods are also waived with previous full dental coverage, and that's what I was getting at. We will talk about that in a sec, but basically if they've had previous dental and have reached a 1-year period with that, they're not going to have a waiting period. So the service types for the dental plan. Type 1 services, preventative, 100% covered. All it is a $25 copay. That covers routine exams, x-rays, bite wings, regular cleanings every 6 months, fluoride and sealant treatments, and maintainer adjustments. Okay. Type 1, 100% coverage, just a copay. Type 2 coverages are your basic dental, 80% coverage and a $25 copay for panoramic x-rays, non-complex prophylaxis. Prophylaxis are your deep cleanings. A lot of dental plans out there don't cover any deep cleanings at all until Type 3. This one covers them under Type 2. Basic cavity and fillings, comprehensive and complex sealants, restorative amalgams, basic extractions. That's another one. Many dental plans don't pay for extractions at all till Type 3. This falls under Type 2. Same thing with root canal prep. A lot of plans, even the root canal prep, the drilling and the removal of the root, much of that is not covered until Type 3. In this plan, it is covered as Type 2. And then you get into Type 3. Type 3 does have a 50% coverage with, again, a 1-year wait unless they have previous coverage. However, again, they still benefit from the repriced rate right away. So it's not like they're not going to have any coverage, that they just won't have the other 50% paid until the 1 year. But that includes root canals, crowns, bridges, dentures, and implants. That's the big one here. I am unfamiliar with any individual dental plan, at least for the price, that pays for implants or dentures. As a matter of fact, in some states, like where we're at in Nevada, we don't have a dental plan at all with no waiting period. With dentures and implants covered. There's no dental plan that covers them at all, and some of them don't even offer a discount. Most offer a 5 or 10% discount, but some don't. And this includes Type 3 is surgical and non-surgical periodontics, complex extractions and surgical extractions, and complex anesthesia. So again, Type 3. So on their waiting period, if they've had previous dental for at least 1 year on a regular dental plan, no DMOs, no scheduled plans, no discount programs, but actual dental. For example, they worked at Hewlett-Packard for 10 years, had good dental, left to go open their own company or just got laid off or whatever. As long as they've had dental for 1 year, then all of the waiting periods are waived on Type 1, 2, through everything. It's all waived. There's no waiting period. So they would pick up as an immediate client and be able to use either any level of coverage that they buy on this plan. Okay? And then on the types of dental plans, there are 3 types. We have the PPO dental 1,500, 3,000, and 5,000. Those relate directly to the amount of coverage per person in that dental plan. So, for example, the Type 1, on the first plan, 1,500, PPO dental 1,500 is $1,500 in coverage, and that's per year, per member of the covered individual. So if you have, again, a family of 4 or 5, each member of the family has that much coverage on their dental plan. There's a $25 copay for visit, and the monthly premiums for individuals on this plan start at $43, and then member and spouse, member and children and family as they go up. You'll notice there's a $3.50 per month association fee down there. I'll talk about that in just a moment. The $3,000, this is the most popular plan. More people sell this plan than any other. Again, $3,000 in coverage per person, $25 copay, and then the monthly premiums, they're about 10 to 20 bucks more, depending on which level, but $65 to $146 a month. And finally, the PPO dental. I sell a lot of this. I know most people sell the 3,000, but this seems to be the most popular one for me, just because 5,000 in coverage is a lot. And for people who know they're going to have extensive work or need things done, or somebody who does want to get, those implants, get them every year, the 5,000 is the plan for them. It's 5,000 in coverage for each person, $25 copay, and then the rates again, 65 through 180 respectively. Now that $3.50 association fee, that's what gets us the ability to buy this dental program. So every month, in addition to the price of the dental, you add $3.50 to cover the association. There are a lot of other benefits that the association gets them, but most importantly, and for this presentation, it gets them access to the dental. So that said, I'll talk a little bit more of that in a second as well when we get to vision. So the National Vision Plan, very similar to your iMed and VSP plans out there. It's a $10 copay for the exam, $25 copay for glasses or contacts, frame allowance or contact allowance is $150 per year, and medically required contacts are covered 100% after the copay of $25. And then additional lens options are just a copay. Polycarb lens upgrade, progressive lenses, coating options, just a copay that they add on. The monthly premium to add vision or buy it a la carte are right here, individual through family. Now, the important thing is that they do not pay 2 association fees. So if they buy just dental, just vision, or both, they're only going to pay that $3.50 fee one time per month for anything they buy. So it doesn't double. Okay? And the reason I guess you're all here, commissions. So the commission rate on this plan in most states is going to fall under what I'm going to show you. A couple of states do pay a little bit higher initially, but what you're going to see here would be the minimum. There's no way that you would get paid less than this. So if anybody has any questions on their specific state, let me know. But like I said, the majority of you are going to fall under this commission rate. First of all, the commissions are paid directly to you and not through us, not through a middleman. The carrier pays you directly for the business. The first month on every new client that you sign up is paid immediately upon that payment being posted. So you sign somebody up, give the payment information, charge them right away, you get paid within a couple of days for that first month. Renewals and ongoing commissions are paid during the first week of each month. The commission is the same for every year of coverage and never decreases. This is the real true benefit of association dental, because on average the consumer keeps their dental plan for 11.1 years. So this allows you to build a book of business and actually gain a true residual income from all of your dental clients. So you're paid a 15% commission rate per member per month that you sign up for dental. Once you've reached a book of 50 members, that commission rate goes to 17%, and once you reach 100, it goes to 20%. So the commission rate is retroactive. So let's say that takes you, 3 weeks to sell, an initial 50, or maybe 3 months to sell an initial 50 members, your rate's going to increase to 17%. And then on all 50 of your members backward, you're going to start getting the new commission rate going forward. So it doesn't pay backward to the ones you've already sold in the months that have gone by, but going forward, you're going to get paid the upper commission rate on all new and existing clients. Again, when you hit 100, it goes up to 20%. So the only time that would change is if you somehow dropped under one of those tiers. Like, for example, if you had 100 clients, you lost 3. Any new clients you signed up until you went back over that $100, 100 members would get paid at the lower commission rate. But once you hit that 100 again, those and anything going forward again will be paid at the full 20 or 17% commission. So in other words, you're never going to lose or drop down permanently on commissions as long as you maintain your book over whatever threshold you want to stay at. So again, this is really important when it comes to that residual, because you're going to keep building a business, and the commission you receive is never going to go down. So if you get your book above 100 members, you 20% commission. You're going to get that 20% on every client forever, as long as they maintain their dental year after year after year. So, what do you need to sell Association Dental? Well, first of all, you have to request the information packet from us and a contracting link if you decide you get contracted. And you can do that by going to www.protecthealth.com/newdental. And I'll give everybody a second to take a picture or write that down. But it's www.protecthealth.com/newdental. And if you send us, or if you submit that form, we'll get you out the contracting link, but more importantly, we'll get you out full plan details, everything that's included, the commission docs, the whole 9 yards. And then if you want to get appointed, we will also send you a link to get your appointment started and get that done right away. After you review the information, if you want to become appointed, like I said, follow the appointment link. It takes 5 or 10 minutes. Only caveat is that you have to have an Arizona license to sell the dental and a Texas license to sell the vision. Most people who are not in Arizona they just get non-resident Arizona licenses or non-resident Texas licenses. Texas is very inexpensive. I think it's like $25. Somebody told me Arizona was around $100 now, but don't worry, we're going to pay for that. So, and I'll tell you about how that works in just a moment here. So, once you complete your online application appointment process and obtain your new licenses, you'll be ready to sell. You can still do your appointment right away. You don't have to wait until you get your licenses. At least get that out of the way. Once you get your licenses, you simply send them in and you're good to go. So, I told you I was going to pay for your Arizona, non-resident Arizona licenses, and I will. We use a new agent bonus to do that, and it's real simple, very easy to reach. So, you're going to earn up to a $600 bonus in the first 90 days. But more importantly, you sell 10 new dental contracts in the first 90 days, and you get a $100 bonus. That's it. It's that simple. 10 contracts, $100 bonus. Boom, you paid for your Arizona, reimbursed for your Arizona license. No harm, no foul. But you get to earn more. You also receive an additional $10 for every new dental contract past that, up to a maximum of $50. So a total of $600 total bonus that could go into your pocket. So again, if you don't have an Arizona license already, then we'll pay for it. If you do have an Arizona license, hey, free money. So all you have to do is sell what you're going to probably sell anyway. So that's it. Like I said, I wanted to keep it short, simple, and to the point. If you want to get appointed, www.protecthealth.com/newdental. If you have any questions, you can also write me at contracting@protecthealth.com. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But send me an email. Start the appointment contracting process. Again, protecthealth.com/newdental. So thanks everybody for coming today, and look forward to getting as many of you appointed as I can, and get you out there selling the Association Dental. Thanks so much. Have a great day, everyone.